Welcome to the new episode. Today, I will show you the most amusing cases with dump trucks, and you will also see a selection of the most incredible machines of heavy equipment. Get ready to enjoy the aesthetics of powerful machines, and watch the video to the end. It will be interesting. I think this driver was pretty freaked out when he almost collided with a truck on the road, and the spilled cement can be easily cleaned off, as long as it does not have time to dry out. This driver decided to do a burnout for better traction on the road, but he forgot that he was in a quarry and not a drag race. Be sure to watch the video to the end. Ahead of you are the monsters among the heavy equipment. I'll show you machines that are the size of a shopping mall. Here is a great example to understand the size of a dump truck. Look how small the man is in front of the wheels. Look at how the big guy is transported. By the way, count how many wheels this trailer has. Write the correct answer in the comments. This driver definitely knows what he's doing. Notice how he sits calmly and imposingly at the wheel despite the fact that his car is raised up. Is it possible that the driver just didn't notice his body was up? If you know or are a dump truck driver, post in the comments. I think next to such a loaded dump truck is better not to drive, in case one stone falls. The level of this dump truck driver is pretty high if he can drive up to load like that. I believe that the driver of this dump truck is not to blame for this incident. Perhaps there were voids under the ground, and the ground could not withstand the weight of the dump truck and collapsed. Interesting fact, such a giant can carry up to 400 tons at a time. Watch the video to the end, then I will tell you more about such huge machines. These giant dump trucks are some of the largest vehicles on the planet, capable of hauling hundreds of metric tons of material in a single load. First up, we have the Bilas, the granddaddy of them all, with a capacity of a staggering 450 metric tons. It's 20.6 meters long, 8.16 meters high, and 9.87 meters wide, making it an absolute behemoth on the road. Next, we have the Caterpillar, another giant truck with a capacity of 400 metric tons. This beast is 14.5 meters long, 6.52 meters high, and 9.75 meters wide. And let's not forget the Komatsu, a massive dump truck with a capacity of 360 metric tons. It's 15.5 meters long, 7.9 meters high, and 9.7 meters wide. But the giants don't stop there. The Liebherr and Hitachi are also in the running, with capacities of 363 metric tons and 326 metric tons, respectively. These machines are built to handle any job, whether big or small. In conclusion, dump trucks have become an essential tool in the construction, mining, and transportation industries. Their ability to haul large quantities of materials quickly and efficiently has revolutionized the way we build and extract resources. As technology advances, we have seen the development of the most gigantic dump trucks, capable of carrying an unprecedented amount of material. From the Caterpillar 797F, which can carry up to 400 tons, to the LALSHOW, which can haul a staggering 450 tons. These massive machines are feats of engineering marvels. However, with their immense size and weight come significant challenges, including the need for specialized roads, maintenance, and operation. Thank you for watching the video all the way to the end. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. Bye.